Cooking assistant. The smart jar automates cutting, chopping, stirring, and cooking, taking care of the hard work. And with 16 versatile cooking modes, just choose a recipe, add ingredients, and let appliance handle the rest. Spend more time enjoying your meals and less time cleaning up. The auto cleaning rinse mode makes maintenance quick and hassle-free. Customize your meals effortlessly and can swap ingredients or add your own twist with the help of AI, making it easy to cater to your taste or dietary needs. The box contains jar, chopping blade, lid.
I'm Mohit. Today I have with me a lot of ingredients, and with these we are going to do some cooking with the upliance. Upliance can cook unlimited guided recipes. It is India's first AI cooking assistant. It comes with a smart 8-inch screen. You can select a recipe from here. This smart jar is where all the magic happens. Toss in an onion, toss in a tomato, it's going to cut these. Add in some oil, it is going to cook these on its way to the turner. Appliance comes with a few accessories. There is a whisk, there is a plate cover, spatula, measuring spoon set, and a steamer basket. To get an idea of how appliance works, we are going to cook a few recipes today. We will cook paneer stir fry, chole masala, steamed rice, and a cup of chai. Let's start with paneer stir fry. The recipe home screen loads up. You can see the image to see exactly what kind of a dish you will be having. Portion sizes go from 1 people to 4 people. You can view the calories per person that this dish has. And you can hit the view ingredients button to see all the ingredients that you need for this recipe. We will swipe up to get started. This asks me for garlic, peeled, then cloves, green chili, tops removed, 2, 3 grams of ginger. So I'm going to hit the start button now. As you can see, this is a very fine cut that we have had. Moving on to the next step, it's asking me to add 2 large spoons of oil. Hit the start button to saute. We swipe up to go to the next step. It asks me to add 100 grams of capsicum. I'm adding this in. Peeled onions, 120 grams. Let's move to the next step. We add a variety of ingredients: paneer, black pepper, salt, dark soy sauce, ketchup, chili vinegar. And your paneer stir fry is ready. Garnish it with spring onions. Next, I'm going to go to make a chole masala recipe. Now I'm going to add tomatoes. The final step is where the boiled chole goes in to cook with the masala. So the chole masala is ready. So we have also made rice in steamer basket to eat along with the chole. So now I'm going to rinse the jar before I make my next recipe, which is chai. So the chai has started to steam up. And my favorite part is that I don't have to stand here and babysit the boil. So today, as you can see, we have made these 4 different kinds of recipes with the appliance. And this is just the start. You can make many more recipes like this at your own home. Take one of these home so that you can start your journey today to stop eating foreign food.
I usually don't leave any reviews of any products which I purchase on Amazon, but this is really a must appliance, a kitchen marvel for people like me who don't really know how to cook properly. Like if we are particular about our mom's cooking, our mom taste, like the cooking taste and everything, this is really very useful. Just load up the ingredients into this jar and just click on, just follow the step what they make here. Just click on the things what you want here and just start preparing. Just go step by step. This is like a cooking redefined. So I give it a 5 on 5 star because people like me who work around the clock, this is like something like really very like a necessity for us. Like everything is here and it's so convenient. Yeah, I give it a 5 on 5.